Well, good morning. It's a nice warm day, sun shining. I got all the pieces sanded, dry. We're going to start assembling today with some glue and brads because I don't have clamps to hold everything in place. So since all my lines are gone, I need to try and remember which way things are supposed to go here. I think it's going to go like that. Yes, okay. So I'm going to start with gluing and nailing this center piece. Now I want to set, I'm going to do one side at a time. So I want to set one side in place, and I need to glue the mating surfaces. And the brad nails are going to make it so I don't have to wait for the glue to fully set to continue. Oh, that one did go in great. And now this is my cross member that's going to be for strength and stableness. Alright, so now I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Glue up my surfaces. And before I nail this one, slide the glasses in place temporarily to make sure I get this one in the right place and it doesn't end up too tight. Alright, now I'm going to attach the front pieces, which will prevent the birdseed from sliding out. Actually got to get some of that glue squeeze out off the wood first. Alright, now for the extenders where the rods will go through so the birds can have something to stand on. And I'm only going to do one now because I want to make sure that this gets cut to length so that it's a very tight fit. Alright, so to cut this I'm going to use my pole saw, but I want to get a rough estimate as to where. So we're going to cut the first one there and go to town. Why not use a power saw? Because I don't feel like taking the time to pick it up and plug it in. So I got two dowels now that fit nice and tightly, and they're both sanded so I can paint them and the glue will attach. So we'll put some glue on this one, insert it into the one that is already attached. Do the same thing on the other side. I will not be nailing these for fear of splitting them, and hopefully the glue will keep them from spinning, because if they're spinning when the birds go to land on them, that would be funny to watch, but anyway. Some glue in there. Some glue in there. Split this out. And then we can go this way. In the hole. Hole. This. And that's the birdhouse. I'm gonna screw the roof on after I paint everything, because I can't paint after I put the glass in, or I'll cover the glass in paint. Well, the glue is dried for an hour or two, and I'm gonna spray paint it now. I bought this forest green spray paint, and here we go. Alright, so I got everything painted. Still still a little sticky, but we're gonna put it together. So this one is going to be the back roof, and as I said, I wanted to put these in with screws, so I'm going to drill for a screw, and then I have some galvanized screws I'm putting in. There's one. Let's do the other side. I feel like I missed. I need to come up a little more. Great job, Dave. So this one was too far down, but I'm going to put a screw in it to prevent water from getting in there. Mistakes were made. Okay, so that one's on there. And now I got to take it off because I totally forgot to put the plexiglass in. Okay, now put this back on. Well, I opened my hinges and really there's 4 hinges in there. I didn't realize that. I only need 2. And they've got these really small screws. So I'm going to put them in on the top like this so that it will open that way. So I'm going to just hang it there like that to keep it in place. And I don't know if I should do it that way. And then screw it in. Oh, right in the hole. Good golly, these screws are so small. I can't hold them. There. That's one hinge. Alright, now we need to mount the hinges to that. This will be fun. Move on to the chain. And So let's throw the last piece of plexiglass in there. Just like that, and this is so you can fill it. The only thing you have to figure out is how to keep it locked shut so the squirrels don't just open it and start feasting. But so to hang it in the tree, bought a chain, and I have a couple of eye holes. So I'm gonna screw these just inside the top, little eyelets. One. There's the other. Still on it. And now I have some chain, and we'll leave it about that long. So I'm gonna have to open a link, cut the chain, and to hook it to the eyelets. So I'm just gonna grab a link, twist it just enough, slide one of these out, and I guess I need a little bit more to get it around that eyelid. And then go around the eyelet and twist it back. And then I need to twist the end on this one so I can get it around the other eyelet. Grab that, twist it around. Twist it back. There we go. And that is the finished birdhouse.